Hello friends, welcome to another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can scale image or video in DaVinci Resolve. So first, I'm going to import a couple of images that I am going to work on. I'm simply dragging them in the media pool. You also can import by going to the file menu, as you know. Right, and now I'm going to drag them to the timeline. So friends, as you can see, the dimension of these images is not the same as we have the project setting. Like here, as you can see, our project setting is dimension is 1920 by 180. So that is the standard setting for any video, but we can fix this by scaling our image. So to do that, we select our images and then we go to inspector tab. From there, retiming and scaling. So here under the scaling menu, we need to select fill, so that fills up the empty space around. In that case, yes, we lose some part of our image. It's sort of cropping, but I suggest when we use them, we use dynamic zoom, so it gives viewers some sort of feeling that the missing part is there too. So this is just my way of editing, but you don't have to use dynamic zoom if you don't want to, but that's how you can scale the image. And alternatively, you also can crop by yourself to fill this up. You also can zoom in and out here under the transform menu, but using retiming scaling probably the best way to save time and just fill up the empty space. So friends, I have worked on the still images, however it could be video too, so but you can apply the same technique for video as well. So friends, this is how you simply can scale images or video using DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.